Hi everyone, welcome to TechBrain YouTube channel. Are you ready to build a high-performance search app? In today's video, we will explain how to create a full-text search application using Apache Solr and Python, leveraging the power of Fast API. Whether you are building for e-commerce, content management, or knowledge bases, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. Here's what we are covering today. The basics of full-text search and its reward applications. Setting up Apache Solr and connecting it to Python using PySolr. Indexing, adding, and retrieving data in Solr. Managing your Solr index configuration effectively. Performing both basic and advanced search queries, including filters and sorting. Troubleshooting common issues for optimized data retrieval. So, what exactly is Apache Solr? Here's the breakdown. Solr is a powerful open source search platform designed to make complex search tasks simple. It is built on Apache Lucene, a robust library for full-text search. Solr is not just about finding keywords, it supports features like full-text search, faceted search, and even analytics. From powering search on e-commerce platforms to drive analytics on large data sets, Solr is incredibly versatile. Now, let's talk about why you should consider Solr for your next search project. It is packed with features that make it a standout choice. Solr is optimized for speed and can handle millions of queries per second. This makes it perfect for applications with high search demands. Need to grow your system? Solr can scale horizontally across multiple servers and integrate with other tools seamlessly. Solr is trusted by big names across industries. Think of companies like Netflix, eBay, and Bloomberg, all of which rely on Solr for their search functionality. We are uncovering a powerhouse behind some of the most successful websites and platforms you use every day. Let us dive into 5 big names that use Solr to deliver exceptional search experiences to millions of users worldwide. First on the list, we've got eBay. With millions of listings, eBay uses Apache Solr to power its product search, auto-suggestion, and advanced filtering options. Thanks to Solr's scalability and lightning-fast query performance, eBay ensures you can quickly find exactly what you're looking for, no matter how niche your search might be. Next up, Netflix. Have you ever searched for a show or movie on Netflix and received personalized recommendations? That is Apache Solr at work. Solr enables Netflix to deliver content, search, and personalized suggestions based on your viewing history. And with millions of users streaming simultaneously, Solr's scalability is key to keeping things running smoothly. Coming third, we have Adobe. Whether you're looking for tutorials, support documents, or user guides, Solr powers Adobe's faceted filtering to ensure you can find the right content quickly. This shows you how versatile Solr can be, even for content-heavy platforms like Adobe Support Hub. Moving on to Burst Buy. Solr plays a crucial role in creating a seamless product search experience. It enables fast and relevant search results with customizable ranking for their products. This makes finding electronics, appliances, or gadgets not only fast, but also tailored to what you're actually looking for. Last but certainly not least, let us talk about LinkedIn. Solr is behind LinkedIn's people, jobs, and company search with advanced filtering options. Whether you're looking for your dream job or networking opportunities, Solr ensures you can fine-tune your searches to find exactly what you need. LinkedIn and some other top platforms rely on Apache Solr to deliver top-notch search experiences. This just goes to show how versatile and powerful Solr truly is. Let us explain some real-world examples of how Apache Solr is transforming search functionality across industries, from content management systems to e-commerce platforms and knowledge bases. We will see how Solr shines. First up, let us talk about content management system or CMS platforms. Imagine you're managing a website with thousands of articles or blogs. Searching for content by exact titles or tags can be a challenge without a powerful search engine. Apache Solr takes the complexity out of the equation. It enables fast, accurate search results. Whether you're looking for a specific blog post or featuring articles by tags, this saves times and improves content discovery for both admins and users. Next, we have e-commerce platforms. Pictures an online store like Amazon or Best Buy. Customers want to locate products by their exact names or categories. That is where Solr steps in. With Solr, you get blazing first search results and the ability to filter products by categories, brands, or price. This ensures a smoother shopping experience and keeps customers engaged. Lastly, let us talk about knowledge bases, like those used by support teams. Imagine needing to retrieve an FAQ or a piece of documentation by a specific keyword or phrase. Solr makes it effortless. By indexing keywords and phrases, Solr ensures that users find the right information in seconds, reducing frustration and improving efficiency for both customers and support teams. From finding blog posts to locating products or retrieving FAQs, Solr delivers fast, reliable, and user-friendly search experiences. Now, let us talk about the amazing benefits of implementing Apache Solr for your search functionality, especially when paired with Python. Let us dive into why this implementation could be a game changer for your project. First up is scalability and extensibility. Whether you're dealing with hundreds of records or millions, Apache Solr is designed to grow with your needs. You can easily scale your search functionality to handle more users and data without compromising on speed or accuracy. And with Solr's modular architecture, extending its capability is a breeze. Next, let us talk about how easy it is to integrate Python with Solr. With libraries like PySolr, you can query, add, and manage data in Solr directly from your Python scripts. This makes it incredibly convenient for developers who are already familiar with Python to unlock the full power of Solr. It is efficient, intuitive, and saves you tons of time. Finally, let us talk about customization. Apache Solr allows you to create a user-friendly UI that is tailored to your specific use case. From faceted filtering to advanced sorting, you can design an interface that makes it easier for users to find exactly what they are looking for quickly and efficiently. To recap, implementing Apache Solr with Python brings you scalable and extensible search functionality for projects of any size, an easy to integrate Python API that simplifies development, a customizable and user-friendly UI for enhanced user experience. Whether you are building a content management system, an e-commerce site, or a knowledge base, this implementation offers everything you need for fast and efficient search capabilities. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary prerequisites shown on the screen installed: Java Development Kit JDK version 8 or higher, Apache Solr downloaded and installed. To check if you have Java installed, just run the following command. You can see I already have Java installed in my machine. If you see the version number, you are good to go. If not, download and install the latest version of the JDK from Oracle's website. And also, you have to download Apache Solr from the official Solr website. Make sure you grab the latest stable release. Once the download is complete, extract the file to your desired location. On most systems, you can do this with the following command: xv zf, then just the file name, or by using your file manager. To start Solr, navigate to the Solr directory in your terminal or run the command as shown on the screen. For Mac OS user, I will suggest you install Solr with Homebrew by firing the command brew install Solr. I already have it installed, so I don't need to fire this command. Then run Solr start to start it. You should see a confirmation that Solr has started successfully along with a URL. Open this URL in your browser to access the Solr admin interface. You can now create a core or a collection. If you are in Solr Cloud mode, cores are essentially containers for your data. Run this command in your terminal to create a core. For Mac OS user that install Solr with Homebrew, fire the following command in your terminal to create a Solr core. Solr create, then the core name. Let's just say my new core. You can see I successfully created new core named my new core. If you successfully install Solr, you can now see your core listed in the Solr admin interface, just like my new core that I created here. You can see it's being listed. You can see this is now ready to be configured and populated with data. Let us start with hardware requirements. This is key for making sure Solr can handle your workload efficiently. You will need at least 2 CPU cores if you're dealing with high query volumes or large data sets. You will want to go for more cores to boost performance. More cores allow Solr to handle multiple operations concurrently, which makes a huge difference when scaling up. You will need at least 8 GB of RAM to get started. However, if you plan to index large datasets or expect high traffic on your search platform, 16 GB or more is recommended for better performance. More memory means Solr can keep more data in memory, reducing the need to access slower storage. Make sure you have at least 10 GB of free disk space. However, depending on the size of your indexes, you may need more space. The larger your data set, the more disk space Solr will need to store the index files. Solr works best with SSD, that is solid state drives. SSD are much faster than traditional hard disk drives, HDDs, and will improve your indexing speed as well as query performance. An SSD can make a big difference, especially when you're dealing with large data sets and frequent updates. Now, let us move on to the system requirements. These are essential for making sure Solr runs smoothly on your operating systems. Solr supports Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. However, Linux is the most common and recommended OS for production environments. Linux typically offers better performance and stability for production, so it is often the go-to choice for most Solr users. You will need Java Development Kit JDK 8 or higher to run Solr. Solr is built on Java, so this is a must-have. You can check if you have the correct version running like how we did earlier. If it is not installed, make sure you download the latest JDK version. Solr instance requires access to port 8983 by default, which is the web interface for Solr. If you plan on using features like replication or clustering, you may also need to open additional ports. Make sure your firewall allows traffic through ports 8983 and any other ports required for your setup.